My dad was part of one of the greatest tag teams in WWE history, so the fact that Beth and I get to represent the women's tag team championships, it just feels like we're paying homage to my dad.
It's a WrestleMania weekend tradition. The night before WrestleMania, the WWE Hall of Fame induction ceremony. Right now, we'd like to introduce you to the latest members of the 2019 WWE Hall of Fame.
Jim the Anvil Neidhart will be joining the WWE Hall of Fame.
That's right, Nadia.
And what a moment for Natalya, her dad.
Man, what an honor for their entire family.
This is the best news ever. Not only am I going to be having a match at WrestleMania, but my dad is going to be in the WWE Hall of Fame. It doesn't get any bigger than that, and it's just one more chance for my mom and my sisters and myself to give my dad a little bit more attention, and that to me is just a dream come true.
You would have been so excited to pick out an outfit and be with my mama. It just would have been so much fun for her. Every day I ask him for guidance. Look what you're doing. Look how amazing you're doing. You're going to your first WrestleMania with your best friend.
I need to get a grip.